Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some amazing products to share with you today. Are you ready? Those of you that like our little Peeps line, well, guess what? We needed a dog, and now we have a dog. We have the little Peeps dog, and look at how cute he is. Now, those of you that already have our giraffe, our horse, and or baby Miller, little Peep, the clothing on those guys also match this guy and vice versa. All of the clothing fits all of the critters, which is really fun. So this little guy has a cute little outfit here, and he's got his little tail. It says, friends are like stars. You can't always see them, but you know they are always there. Best buds, hey buddy, for my friend. And you could even stamp on his little t-shirt, this little spaceship and this little kind of space themed outfit. Now, of course, we have dies that match. Look at that. I highly recommend for the clothing, you use just the inside dies. You really don't need the shadow dies for those, but look at how cute those are. So cute. And I have some amazing samples to share with you. Oh, just so amazing. Now, we're also releasing, because we've had so many people request this, an Apple Fold It. Yay! I know. Now, the fun thing about this Apple Fold It is the dots are optional. If you don't want your apple to have dots, you don't have to. If you do want it to have dots, you can. The choice is yours. Lastly, for today, I also have this fun die set that says, look at this. Are you ready? I miss your face. I actually say this a lot to my youngest daughter. She doesn't live nearby, and so whenever I see her, I always say, I miss your face. I always just want to see her. So I say this a lot to her on the phone and in person, and I thought it'd be cute to make it a die. Let's look at all the samples for this one. Look at how cute that one is. I miss your face, using our Hangout dog. That's a little different than our little Peeps dog. Here it is using just the letters. So here we're using the negative, and here we're using the positive. So good, look at that. It's like double duty, right? The positive and the negative. Look at how cute this is. I miss your face. You'll also notice when I designed this, the center of the letters stays in there. So the A, the O, and the R all stay in there, so it's still one piece, which is really handy. So you don't have to kind of try to piece that together. Here's another cute one. I miss your face. And it's a nice large die, so it takes up most of the card. So it is a really good a panel for layering and things like that, because it really shows up. It's also awesome on slim lines. Isn't that awesome? Look how fun this one is. I miss your face. Isn't it amazing how, depending on what designer made it, you can have it look so many different ways, the same die. Like let's just look at these four right here. Look at that, 4 totally different looks with the same die set. Isn't that amazing? It's so fun how dies are so versatile. So that is I miss your face. Now we go to the Apple Fold It. And this is an example I wanted to share with you. Michelle always does such a good job with different things like home decor things. And look at how cute this little apple is on this little plaque. Perfect for a teacher. And it's using the crayons, and it says thank you. I just love that. I think it's so cute. And it's like 3D. Look at that. She made so many. Isn't that? I just love that. It's just so cute. Now let's look at the other samples. Oh, here's a cute one. I know you, with our cute little girl gnome. So fun. Here's one, world's best teacher. Perfect for when school starts, right? You can give that to your favorite teacher. Or here's another teacher one. Look at that cute little teacher mouse. You got this, #1 teacher. Now this one, are you ready? This one will knock your socks off. Love you to the core. Isn't that gorgeous? who did this one? Who did this one? Jeannie did this one. I love how she cut it right in the half, and she did the inside. Isn't that adorable? I love that. And I have a feeling she used the apple to stamp for that. Isn't that cute? And look at this one. Oh, this one's cute, using our, I believe that's I think she might have made part of that. Wow, isn't that cute? Thanks a bunch. Here's another cute one. Just adorable. I love it. Now, are you ready? Little Peeps time, little Peeps time. Here's our cute little guy dressed up and ready to go. And it says buds. Open this up. And there's his little friend on the inside. So cute. Here's a cute one. The perfect background for this stamp set, right? Look at that. Friends are like stars. You can't see them, but you always know they're there. And look at that background. Isn't that cute? This background actually came in this slimline die set. Here's a cute one for my friend, and they're ready to go. They look like they're ready to go play. Now, this is a sneak peek. Are you ready? Sneak peek alert, sneak peek alert. Best buds, best buds. You can find the surfboard and the sun already on our website. I say no more. I say no more. Here's a cute one. Make those doggies look totally different. I absolutely love it. For my friend. Here's another one using that same star sentiment, which is so cute. I know, aren't these fun? Here's a cute one with our hangout dog. 2 different looking dogs. I love that. For my friend. Here's another one. Oh, another designer figured out to use that background, which I absolutely love. And here's a cute one. Hey, buddy. Now, keep in mind, my friends, the clothing that Miller wears and the clothing that come with the giraffe and horse coordinate with all the little peeps. So you're gonna mix and match all those clothes, which are really, really fun. Now, club members, of course, you're getting the club discount on all of these products. And if you're not in the club, you're missing out. You're missing out on club points. You're missing out on the 15% discount off of our website every single day. You're missing out on anniversary gift certificates, and you're missing out on all those freebies. Go check out the website, thestampsoflife.com, click on join the club, and watch that video just to find out what it's all about, because you know what? You're gonna wanna join. Now, club members, again, don't worry, you got the club discount already, and you know what? I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.